Great inventors and leaders are not born. They are inspired and motivated to do great things by their great teachers. Light of the world, beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day. By wishing all the great teachers a very happy Teachers Day, let's begin our today's assembly. Good morning. It's me, Bhagya, taking up the privilege to host today's assembly on behalf of Class 10th. We pray to start our day and to end our day. God is that one power that can neither be seen nor heard, but can touch our heart.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asado ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
Good morning to one and all. Respected parents, colleagues, and my dear children. As all of us know, today, September 5th, is Teachers' Day. We celebrate it on 5th September from 1962 onwards. We are celebrating it to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of independent India. He was a scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, distinguished envoy, academician, and above all, a great teacher. Teachers' Day is important for the students as well as teachers. For students, it is important as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by the teacher to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to the Teachers' Day as their efforts get recognized and honored by the students and other agencies as well. Teachers nourish and prepare their students for the future as they are the real icon of knowledge and wisdom. It is rightly said, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshal Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. It is a great occasion to enjoy the warmth of the relationship between the teacher and student. So, dear children, try to contact your teachers and convey your wishes and seek their blessings. Happy Teachers' Day.
A very warm good morning to all. As today, that is 5th day, remembering the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, I would like to quote one of his sayings. The end product of education should be a free creative man who can battle against historical circumstances and adversities of nature. Wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines are read by myself, Hima. International news. Cattle ship carrying 6,000 cows capsizes in storm off Japan. No sign of crew. National news. Ladakh standoff negotiations the way forward, says MEA. With spike of 83,341 new cases, India's coronavirus tally crosses 39 lakh mark. Sports news. US Open. Sumit Nagal bows out after straight set loss of Dominic Thiem. That's all for today's news. Thank you.
Every
year, since 1962, India has been celebrating September 5 as the Teachers' Day, as the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a philosopher, academic, and a statesman and served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He was one of India's most distinguished 20th century scholars of comparative religion and philosophy. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5, 1888 in a middle-class family at Tirthani in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veerasamy and his mother's name was Sarvepalli Seedamma. He was an outstanding student and studied philosophy at Christian College in Madras. After completing his education in 1911, he had joined as an assistant professor. Because of his hard work and excellent knowledge on the subject, he was soon elevated to the post of Professor of Philosophy at the Madras Presidency College. Subsequently, he was a Professor of Philosophy at the University of Mysore. In 1921, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan had joined as a King George V Chair of Mental and Moral Science at the University of Calcutta. He served as the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University, Delhi University, as well as the Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a lecturer at Manchester College in Oxford in 1926, and in 1930 he was appointed Haskell Lecturer in Comparative Religion at the University of Chicago. In 1936, he had joined as a Spading Professor of Eastern Religion and Ethics at the University of Oxford and served till 1952. He was the first Indian to hold a professional chair at the University of Oxford. He has led the Indian delegation to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, and was elected chairman of UNESCO's Executive Board in 1948. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor in India, in 1954. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was awarded honorary membership of the British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. He was also one of the founders of Helpage India, a non-profit organization for elderly unprivileged in India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan died on April 16, 1975 in Chennai.
ख्वाबों की नगरी हकीकत बनाने जो ये दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझाने जो ये दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींदें आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींदें आती वहाँ, इतनी सुहानी बना होना पुरानी तेरी दास्तां, हम तो न कहते अंधेरा कहता, जुगनू में रहता एक तारा रहता, हम तो न कहते अंधेरा रहता, जुगनू में रहता एक तारा रहता, आसमां की कर छूना खामियां खास समझो ना, इतनी सुहानी बना होना पुरानी तेरी दास्तां, ख्वाबों की नगरी हकीकत बनाने जो ये दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझानी जो ये दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, कदमों में रमा दो धक्का चैन की नींदें आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींदें आती वहाँ, इतनी सुहानी बना होना पुरानी तेरी दास्तां.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive are teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day. a day that is kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that our future is bright. Teachers are the building blocks of our lives. They act as second mothers to all the students. On this occasion, on behalf of all the students, I thank you, teachers, for molding us into worthy citizens to face the world boldly. Apart from academic matters, teachers stand by us in every step to guide, motivate, and to inspire to become better people. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the teachers for their selfless service and dynamic support. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. With a special gift of learning and with a heart that deeply cares, you add a lot of love to everything you have to share. You mean a lot. You'll never know how much. For you helped to change the world through every life you have touched. You sparked the creativity in every student whom you taught, and you helped them strive for goals that can never be bought. You are such a special teacher that no words can really tell. Thank you for emboldening us. Your positivity and encouragement has brightened our days. You have helped us realize that we can be more. Teachers, we will never forget you. From the bottom of my heart, genuinely, teachers, we thank you, we love you, we respect you, we salute you. Thank you.